Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw and color the party emoji. So let's get started. To draw this emoji, I'm going to use my IKEA cup here as my circle template. So as I'm drawing this, I'm going to give myself some breaks right here because I know there's things that are going to be sticking out of this circle. So towards this corner right here, I'm just going to break it up a little bit, and I'm going to bring it all the way around here, and then I'm going to break it again for where the party hat approximately will be sitting. So I'll just stop about right there and give myself this corner right here. If you're using a pencil at home, definitely draw the full circle first. Okay, so from there, I'm going to come into the center area, just kind of like the center area right here. And in the middle, about right here towards the side, I'm going to start the first eye. So I'm just going to give myself a point right there, and I'm just going to come right across so that nicely center. I'm going to come right across about right there and just draw two little points. So this is where my eyes I'm going to start from. And then so from here, I'm just going to go up. So it's a pretty high curve and come back right down. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and thicken it up and connect it. So same thing on this side. I'm going to go up. I'm just going to come right across. So you know about how high. And come right back down and connect it. Just like the other side. So I have the eyes in. So it's kind of like drawing the moon upside down. Okay, I'm just going to make it a little bit higher. So same thing on this side. So if you want it a little bit higher, just go ahead and thicken it up because you're just going to go ahead and shade this all in. So it's an easy fix. Okay. You can either make this black or you can make it like a dark brown. It's all up to you. So now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to go right to the center, right underneath, about right here towards the bottom, and I'm going to draw a beginning of a circle. So about right here, just going to start a circle. I'm not going to finish it, and in here, I'm just going to add another circle. So it's kind of like drawing a little crescent. And from this curve right here, I'm going to extend it out and draw the horn, the party horn. So from right here, I'm just going to go straight out. And towards this area where it starts to curve, I'm going to start to curl it around. And then let's thicken this. So I'm going to come right back in. So let's do the same thing on this side, following my top line. And now we can go ahead and connect it. There, got that little party horn in. Get a little bit straighter. And so then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and finish off my circle right here. Just eyeball it. There. And then now for the party hat. So right above the eye right here, I'm going to start and draw a curve. So I'm going to aim about right here and draw a curve right next to the eye, about right there. And then I'm going to aim for the center of this curve. I'm going to go right up, so about say right there. And from there I'm just going to curve it down. So now I know this is my center, and I'm just going to go right down. It makes it a little bit easier to gauge. So then from there, I'm going to come up here and just draw some little streamers that come out of this party hat. And let's finish off my curve. There. So, and then at the bottom right here, I'm going to come to the mouth and just shade this part right in. And then right underneath it, very, very lightly, well, let's use a Sharpie then. Very lightly, I'm just going to draw a curve right under because the mouth is kind of puckered. And then from there, let's draw all the little confetti pieces. So I'm going to come about right here and draw the first one. So however you like it. I'm just going to come in here and thicken the first one. And another one over here. And one over here close to the eye. So about right here. Nice and simple, and about right here on the edge right here, another one, and the last one. So the last one I guess is going to overlap, so I'm just going to come here and I'll go in there and try to fix that line. I forgot to give myself a space right here, but maybe I'll use a dark color and you won't be able to see that line. So then let's come in here for details for the hat. So I'm just going to give it some stripes. You can decorate your hat however you like. So that's pretty much it for the drawing part. Now to color it. So there, this party hat emoji is all drawn and colored. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.